afternoon, my meow. How are you? How are you? Today is Thursday. Kumusta ka? Kumusta ang aking black cat? Where are you going? Ano, kakain ka? Ano yung pagkain mo ngayon? Ha? My meow? Come here, come. Come. Hi, hello. Hi. Chicken bones po yung pagkain ng aking pusa. Chicken bones. Inubos mo. Naubos yung pagkain mo? How are you? Okay, enjoy your Romel.